Ang dami mong inquiry pero wala namang pumipili. Sa panahon ng marketing ngayon, hindi na sapat yung benefits lang. Dapat meron kang urgency. Almost 60% ng Gen Z at Millennials nagsasabi kapag may limited time o limited slots, mas mabilis silang nagde-decide na bumili. Pero ayaw naman natin ng fake urgency. Yung last chance na today, tapos bukas, sale na naman. Nakaka-turn off yun. So, paano ka ba gagamit ng honest na FOMO? Number 1, be real about limits. Sample, price goes up by Friday. Only 20 slots available. Kung anong totoo, yun lang ang sasabihin mo. Number 2, ipakita mo na hindi lang sila nag-iisa. Paano? Social proof. For example, used by 2,000 small businesses, 150 orders daily, o kaya trusted by professionals. Lalo na kung first time nila makita ang offer mo. Number 3, ipakita mo yung cost kapag nagde-delay pa sila. For example, every day that you delay, maraming leads ang nawawala. Walang pressure, just clarity. Number 4, time-limited bonuses. Sample, mag-register ka before Friday para makakuha ka ng bonus na one-on-one consultation with me or para maka-access ka sa exclusive merch. Tingnan mo yung Shopee o Lazada. Pag may double-digit sale, payday sale o flash deals, lahat biglang nagmamadaling mag-check out. Ikaw din, di ba? Bakit? Kasi may deadline, may urgency. Yung feeling na sayang to pag pinalagpas ko. People don't always need a hard sell. Minsan, kailangan lang nila ng reason to act today. Kasi kung hindi mo alam ang FOMO strategy,